Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to get the sign-up deposits refunded on the Awin program. Now, have you paid the Awin sign-up deposits and wondered when you can get it back? In today's video, I explain how and what to check and where to look for the refund information. So first, you're gonna make sure to sign in to your Awin's publisher account. You're gonna make sure to click on the Awin website. You're gonna click on login if you have an account, or if you don't have an account, you can click get started. You're going to choose whether advertiser or affiliate program, for example. Then you're going to click on join our platform, and you're going to be directed to this page where you're going to fill in all the information. And after that, after filling all the information, you're going to be asked to pay a deposit. Now, once you want the refund to this deposit, you're going to open your account or payment information and check the status of your sign up deposits. The refund conditions depend on Awin's current terms and the status of your account. Awin may have specific requirements that need to be met before the deposit becomes refundable. So check the current publisher terms or the information provided during the registration. Let's assume that simply paying the deposit automatically means an immediate refund. And if your account qualifies for a refund, follows the strict instructions provided by Awin. And if there is a refund option in your dashboard, contact the Awin's official support team and provide your account details and payment information. And also keep your payments confirmation available in case they need to verify the transaction. Avoid sending your payment information through unofficial websites or third-party apps, and use Awin's official support channels for any refund requests. And that's how you check the refund process for an Awin sign-up deposit. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.